these are the contact lenses I plan on using. They expire 2022. I'll take them out and try and stick them in my eyes. Okay, contact lens 1. What have I done? Oh. Is it a twist? One thing you'll learn, I'm really bad at opening things. Oh. Okay, right, you pull that and then it pulls that seal back, I think. Make sure it's all covered. Oh. I'm not even sure how to get this out. When I had these before, they came in like a little disposable thing, not a little vial. Okay, I probably shouldn't do this. I'm gonna stick this in here. No, I'm gonna. That was probably unhygienic. Okay, all the liquid's out and it's stuck. Oh, come on. Okay. The best way to do it is to go into the corner of your eye and look outwards, because you can rub the inside of your eye and it doesn't seem to hurt. But if you try and touch the outside, you'll blink. Okay, it just turned inside out. I've got a bit of excess makeup on. Oh, bugger. Oh, this is stressful. Lordy Lord. I'm going to try the other eye. Oh, no. I'm going to put it inside the other vial. I'll wait till I've got somebody who can give me a hand. I won't hold back, I'll just do. This is my mum. She's going to help me. I'm going to poke it in the eye. First things first, there's 2 in there. They did come in 2 vials, but I had to pour out the liquid to get one of them out.
So should we pour some in there?
See, she's smart. Where do I look?
Up. Right, face me a bit.
Oh.
No, okay, don't worry.
Oh.
What you actually need to do is go like this. And then just flip it on. Hold your eye open and pop it on.
Look up.
Just anywhere.
Can you hold my eye? Try it with 2 hands.
No. No, it folded over.
Oh, I thought I had it. Ugh.
You have to sort of go like that and then literally just
Don't
pop
put it in
on.
your
I'm not
eye.
So look straight at it. Be brave. Let's just have a tiny bit. No, go. Do. You do.
Oh, I just poked something. I can't see when I'm doing it. Oh. That's what I did earlier, so I don't feel so bad.
Not ideal, really.
Yeah,
Poking
it's
it
even
about.
got paint on the end of it.
Oh dear. Not very Sarah. Face me, because I can't do it through there. You've done it. Right, now open. What? I'm in here.
I'll try and do the other one.
You do it?
No. Oh. It looks cool though. Pour the liquid into the other vial in case you need it again. Cup your hand and try and pour the whole thing into there, and the contact lens comes out with it. It's now in my hand. I can't really show you because otherwise I'd pour it everywhere. Get it on your finger. Let's try and put some of this liquid back in here. That didn't work. I thought the best way to do it is to put it in the corner when you're looking out, But the way I just did it, I just looked straight and just, well, she did it. Oh, it keeps turning inside out. What if I do it like that? No, I'll be back with my mum again because I can't do it. Okay. So, lesson learnt, get a friend or a family member. Stole my sister.
Right, let me put it in my hand, make it super lubricated.
Lick it?
You're supposed to have water inside it so that it doesn't have an air bubble. Oh, it's because your eye keeps fluttering. This bloody fluttery one. Open wider. You can't stop fluttering. Yay!
Oh my. Pooh! Booyah! Boo, 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 boo.
Keep your eyes shut for a little while.
Oh, I'm crying so much. Oh, this one hurts. Ugh. Oh, that feels a bit better. I just twisted it round a little bit. That's so weird. So, it wasn't really a tutorial, more of a torture video. Happy Halloween. Okay, that is the costume completed. Zombie World War II pilot. Even got a big parachute on the back, all burnt up, and the eyes. Thanks for watching. See ya.